In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cash-saving multiplier strategies in Chrome, collect extra dice from daily web reward links, and use cash boost events to finish board 42 faster. To get started, open Chrome and begin looking for cash-saving multiplier strategies. The goal here is to find methods that help you use your in-game resources more efficiently instead of spending everything as soon as you get it. As you search, focus on reliable strategy sources and look for tips that explain when to raise your multiplier, when to lower it, and how to avoid wasting cash during slower moments in the game. This part is important because a good multiplier strategy can make a huge difference in how quickly you progress, especially if you are trying to complete a specific board without draining all of your resources. Once you have a better understanding of those strategies, the next step is to accumulate dice using daily web reward links. This is one of the easiest ways to build up a useful reserve over time. Make it a habit to check for these links daily because small rewards add up quickly when you collect them consistently. Even if each reward seems minor on its own, together they can provide a steady flow of extra dice that supports longer play sessions and gives you more flexibility when it is time to push for progress. Consistency matters here much more than speed. So treat this as a routine part of your daily gameplay. After that, save your cash and spend it only during cash boost events to complete board 42 quickly. This is where patience really pays off. Instead of using your cash the moment you earn it, hold on to it until a cash boost event is active. During these events, your spending becomes more valuable, which means the same amount of saved cash can help you move through upgrades and board progress much more efficiently. If your goal is board 42, timing your spending around these events can significantly reduce waste and make the whole process smoother. The overall strategy is simple. Learn efficient multiplier methods in Chrome, build up extra dice through daily reward links, and wait for cash boost events before using your cash. When these three actions are combined, they create a more controlled and effective approach to progression. If you stay disciplined and follow this routine consistently, reaching board 42 becomes much more manageable and a lot less resource heavy.